vacuum cleaners have become indispensable tools in our modern-day cleaning routines. But have you ever wondered how they came to be? Let's take a trip down memory lane to explore the history of vacuum cleaners. The story of the vacuum cleaner dates back to the 19th century when inventors began experimenting with ways to clean floors more efficiently. In 1860, a man named Daniel Hess patented the first vacuum cleaner that used a rotating brush to sweep floors while simultaneously sucking up debris. Over the years, several other inventors built upon Hess's idea and created their own versions of the vacuum cleaner. But it wasn't until the early 20th century that the vacuum cleaner became widely available to the public. In 1901, a British inventor named Hubert Booth patented the first powered vacuum cleaner. His machine used a piston pump to create suction, and it was so large that it had to be pulled around by horses. Booth's vacuum cleaner was primarily used in factories and was too expensive for most households. It wasn't until 1907 that an American inventor named James Murray Spangler created a vacuum cleaner that was affordable and practical for home use. Spangler suffered from asthma and found sweeping to be too physically demanding, so he created a motorized suction device that could easily clean his floors. Spangler's vacuum cleaner was a success, and he soon began selling his invention door to door. However, Spangler didn't have the resources to manufacture his vacuum cleaner on a large scale, so he sold his patent to a businessman named William Hoover. Under Hoover's leadership, the vacuum cleaner became a household staple. In 1908, the Hoover Company was founded, and its first product was the Hoover Model O, which was an immediate hit with consumers. The Hoover Company went on to become one of the most successful manufacturers of vacuum cleaners in the world. Today, vacuum cleaners have come a long way from their humble beginnings. From cordless stick vacuums to robotic vacuums, there's a vacuum cleaner for every need and budget. But it's important to remember that these modern marvels wouldn't exist without the innovative minds of inventors. Thanks for watching the video. Please continue to show your support.